Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technologic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can earn money from Study from Facebook app, which is developed by the Facebook company. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from the channel. So in this video I am going to show you complete app, and also I will show you the payment proof also. So if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. So let's get into the topic. So first of all, I will show the payment proof. So for this app you need to have PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account and don't know how to create a PayPal account, you can just comment down below. I will create a video how you can create the PayPal account also. So here I will show the payment proof. So as you can see here, just I will show all the proofs. So payments in. So as you can see here, I got the payments every month $6 from the December 16 2019. I am getting these payments from this app. As you can see here, every month of 16 or 17th I am getting the payments from the Study from Facebook app. And also I will show in the mail also. So as you can see here, we got the mail from this is the U-Test. So congratulations, you got the 6 USD. You will be getting credited to the PayPal, and PayPal will transfer the amount to your bank account within 2 to 3 working days. So if you don't know how to create, please do comment down below. So let's see the app. So in this app you no need to do any task, any ad clicks, anything friends. So you can directly install this app and you can start earning money. So please note, so this app is only for specific users. So let's see the app and some more details in it. So first of all, search for the Study from Facebook. So as you can see here, there are lots of apps, but we are not finding the Study from Facebook app. But no need to worry, just click on any app. So as you can see here there is an option for the developer like Facebook. Just tap on it. So as you can see here there is an option. So in green, Facebook, just tap on it. So here just scroll down below. So as you can see here, I already installed this app. So I am using from the last year 2019 December. So let's see the full details of this app. So as you can see here, the app is developed by the Facebook. So and it have downloads of 100k. So let's see what's new. So register participants in the study program use this app, take part in marketing research. So they will collect all the information from you. So they will collect the information only, they won't collect any sensitive information from you. So let's see all the they will about here. This will be only, you can install this app only through the invitation only. If you haven't been invited to join the program, this app won't work in your phone. Make sure that you got an invite link from the Facebook. So check out your Gmail. So you may get the link from the Facebook so that you can join through the link. So you should join only through the link. Without link you can't come directly to install this app. So make sure this point. So you should install only through the invited link, friends. So first thing is this. And about the Study from Facebook app, so here as you can see here, what info the study app collect. So through the study app we collect and analysis participation app usage data. This includes information about apps installation and participation phone, time participation spending using apps. So they will collect the how much time we will spend on apps. So as you can see here, network type, career and language setting. So future participating using the certain apps like home screen or support. So as you can see here, they will want so here they mentioned that. So as you can see here, so here information helps to learn which the app people value and how they use. So we will able to better understand our community to improve Facebook company. So this app helps to the Facebook app to send the data, and they will just improve their service with this app, and they will pay to you every month $6. So, and also the app is mentioned clearly that the study app does not collect user ID and password or containing people sharing including messages. So make sure this point, this app never share any password, user IDs. They will not collect this data, and make sure that we don't sell data from app to third parties. So make sure that this app won't sell any data for any other third party application. So you can, first point you should notice, you should come only through the invited link, friends. So check out your Gmail, you may get some invited link, or else somewhere else you may get this study from Facebook app ads. So you can directly go through it and directly install from the only through the invited link. So if you don't want like that, if you do not get any links, so I will show another app. So as you can see here, so just here, so as you can see here, I done a video regarding the how to earn Amazon gift card, so for free. So this app is for everyone, so you can install it. So you can install it, and you can just it will do the same work as study from Facebook app. And this app is also available in the Play Store. So you can come to our channel and you can view this video. So you will be getting the detailed information about this video, and you can install this app and you can start earning money without any task or any clicks. So that's all for this video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.